My wife and I are taking a first-class railway journey from Aswan to Luxor in Egypt. The Aswan railway station, along with the railway line to Luxor, was completed in 1898. Now this is our train. Let's take a look at the first-class carriage and find our seats.
So here we are, hopefully you can hear me, in the first class toilets. So let's have a look around. As you can see, it's not a very clean mirror.
And the wash basin could do with a wipe round. And yeah, that's the toilet.
Do I really want to lift that toilet seat up? Don't know what this does. Anyway, here goes.
Now, because we're in a Muslim country, the douche works on the toilet, but I'm afraid the flush doesn't. Never mind, eh? And I didn't expect the water to be hot, did you? So let's take a look at these first class seats, which look like they were actually cleaned last in 1898. Well, here's a great thing. There is loads of legroom and I've got a little footrest. Now let's take a look in the seat pocket. Yeah, there could be all sorts going in there. I don't think I'll put anything in there. And we're about to have some lunch. Let's have a look at the drop-down tray. And again, I think that was cleaned last in 1898. I don't think I'll be bothering putting my sandwiches on that tray. So yeah, first class travel in Egypt, amazing. Hopefully we don't have a fire, because I doubt that fire extinguisher will work. So after a very smooth 3-hour journey from Aswan, we have arrived at the amazing city of Luxor. So let's get on with it and find out exactly what this city has to offer.